Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have a duplicate theme and you're in the code editor. Good. First, confirm the collection template file and a product grid or collection list snippet exist so you can insert the link. Once done, create a simple liquid variable to expose total products or collection. Products count. Make sure to save frequently. If your theme uses sections, open the appropriate section file instead of template. This primes the template, so the View All control can read the collection size and render conditionally. Now implement the logic. Find where the grid limits products, paginated or limited by slice, and add a conditional that compares collection. Products count to that limit. When true, output an anchor to collection. URL plus a query like view equals all or to a custom collection template /collection /handle, view equals all. Make sure to include area label and theme classes. Then add a small CSS rule so the button matches buttons site-wide. Test with a large collection to verify visibility and placement. Finish by reading the request parameter and bypassing any limit when view equals all. Render the full product loop or a paginated state suited for large catalogs. Once implemented, preview on desktop and mobile, clear CDN or browser cache, and verify pagination or infinite scroll still works. If something breaks, revert to your theme backup immediately, check the browser console and Shopify logs, and validate liquid brackets and quotes. Syntax mistakes are the most common cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.